knock.
Who is it?
Little pig, let me come in.
By the hair on my chinny chin chin.
Then I'll huff, and I'll puff,
No.
and I'll blow your house in.
Two little pigs were in a fix. One built a house with a bundle of sticks. Two little pigs were in a fix. One built a house with a bundle of sticks.
A wolf came along and he began knocking, knock, knock, knock.
Who's there?
Little pig, let me come in.
By the hair on my chinny chin chin.
Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house in.
One little pig screamed, quick, quick, quick. He built his house with a load of bricks. One little pig screamed, quick, quick, quick. He built his house with a load of bricks.
A wolf came along and he began knocking, knock, knock, knock.
Not here.
Little pig, let me come in.
By the hair of my chinny chin chin.
Well, he huffed and he puffed and he huffed and he puffed and he huffed.
But he couldn't blow the house down. Woohoo! Yeah! We made it!
And the three little pigs lived happily ever after in the brick house.
Hey guys, check out my cool new toy! A troll!
Just like the mean old troll in the story of Billy Goat Gruff.
Oh yeah, that's my favorite story! Once there were 3 billy goats. One was very small. One was in the middle, one was big and tough. These were the billy goat gruffs. They went walking across a bridge to get to the other side, when all of a sudden a troll appeared and gave the tiny goat a surprise.
Hey little goat, stop right there. You can't pass this bridge. I'm gonna get you and gobble you up, and that's just the way it is.
No, please, troll, don't eat me. I'm just small and tiny. If you want to eat someone, wait a bit. My brother's much bigger, I must admit.
Okay, you can go.
The next goat walked across the bridge to get to the other side, when all of a sudden the troll appeared and gave the middle goat a surprise.
Hey there, goat, stop right there. You can't pass this bridge. I'm gonna get you and gobble you up, and that's just the way it is.
No, please, troll, don't eat me. I'm just average size. If you wanna eat someone, wait a bit. My brother's much bigger, he's your prize.
Okay, you can go.
Big Billy Goat Gruff crossed the bridge to get to the other side, when all of a sudden the troll appeared and gave the big goat a surprise.
Hey, big goat, stop right there. You can't pass this bridge. I'm gonna get you and gobble you up, and that's just the way it is.
Just try it, mean old troll. I got 2 big spears. I'll toss you right off this bridge, and you'll be crying big troll tears.
So the troll came up to fight the goat, but much to his surprise, Billy Goat Gruff tossed him off the bridge, and the troll began to cry. That is the end of the Billy Goat tale. They made it to the other side. Now they eat everything they see, growing fatter and bigger in size. Vroom, vroom! I'm going faster than you!
Sure, baby brother.
Not fair! I can never go fast enough! Aw, that's okay, little guy. Have you ever heard the story of the tortoise and the hare? No. I think you might like it. There was a hare. He ran so fast. He ran around the town quick as a rocket blast. No one could beat him. No, no, no. Quick as a bunny, he'd go, go, go. There was a tortoise. He was so slow.
story for you two, don't we, dear?
Oh, yes, we do.
Read! Read, please!
Once upon a time, in the great prairie lands, lived a fun-loving grasshopper. I love to play all day long. Makes me happy, it makes me strong. Worries work night in my day. Why would I work when I can play? Hippity hop, 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 hop. I hop to the park to lots of fun. Hippity hop, 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 hop. I will dance, dance in the sun. Look at me, I'm dancing. His friendly neighbors, the ants, did their work first. The grasshopper wondered why the ants worked so hard all day long.
We love to play, but we have to work. Work comes first, or the queen goes berserk. Chores, tasks, all in our day. They must get done, then we play.
Hippity hop, 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 hop. I hop to the fields to get great food. Hippity hop, 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 hop. I will sing, I'm in a good mood. The ants were worried and they yelled out to the grasshopper. The ants scurried off home as the wind began to howl.
Grasshopper, that's not the way. Work comes first, then you play. Prepare, store for another day. If you don't, there's a price to pay.
Weather's changing, it's colder today. Certainly not like yesterday. No sun, warmth, where did they go? Maybe tomorrow they will show. Hippity hop, 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 hop. I hop to the pond and I have some fun. Hippity hop, 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 hop. No one here, I'm the only one. Hey, where'd everybody go? The grasshopper was hungry and very cold in the dreary winter weather. It's so cold, colder today. I have not eaten like yesterday. Windy snow shivering through. I need help, I'm asking you. Hey, can you help a brother out? The ants heard the knocking and they ran to their door. They let the cold grasshopper inside and he thanked the ants for their sweet kindness. I have learned in a very hard way. Work comes first, then you play. Chores, tasks, do not delay. Get to them first, that's the way. Hippity hop, 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 hop. I hop to my work comes first. Hippity hop, 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 hop. Fun then comes with a real burst.
Hippity hop, 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 hop. I hop to work, my work comes first. Hippity hop, 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 hop. Fun then comes with a real burst.
Story time, everyone. How about Little Red Riding Hood?
I want to pretend that I'm Little Red, and I'll be the big bad wolf.
Oh, I'm not sure Wookie likes that idea. Everyone ready?
Yeah!
There once was a girl all dressed in red who went to her grandma's sickly bed.
She's not feeling well, so I'll cut through the dell and visit Gran for a short little spell.
Now remember, don't talk to any strangers.
I promise.
Mama gave Red some specialties, Grandma's very favorite cheese. But in the woods a wolf stopped Red.
Well, hello, my dear. You're going where?
He said,
You're a stranger, right? I'm not really supposed to talk to you, but I'm off to Gran, she's sick in bed. I've brought some cheese and fresh baked bread.
Then Red took off, but the wolf was smart. He knew the way to Gran's by heart.
I'm smarter than the average wolf.
The wolf sneaked into Grandma's place.
I'll hide you so there's not a trace.
He locked her in, got into bed with Granny's nightcap on his head.
Help me!
Poor Granny cried.
Why, come in, dear.
Why, Gran?
Said Red, and she walked right in.
Oh, I've been wondering how you've been.
I'm okay.
But she sounded weird.
Granny, since when do you have a beard?
Oh.
Granny has a beard. Uh-oh. Why, Granny, what big ears you have. And Granny, what big eyes you have. And Granny, what big teeth you have.
The better, my dear, to eat you with.
No! Say that to my face!
The better to eat you with.
On second thought, no!
Cried Little Red Riding Hood, and a huntsman burst in from the woods. He broke the door, and he grabbed that beast.
Why, I'll give you a pound.
To say the least! You're a big, bad, hairy wolf, and you better stop being a bully, or you won't have any friends.
Well, the huntsman let poor Granny out, and Little Red just blurted out,
I talked to a stranger.
Confess, Little Red.
I've learned my lesson now.
She said.
She learned her lesson now, she said. Wow, that big bad wolf sure learned his lesson. He sure did. And I sent him away, and he never came back. See what happens to big bad bullies?
Indeed. Now, what's the moral of the story?
Never let a wolf know if you have fresh baked bread and special cheese.